What's up guys, it's James here, and in today's video I will be showing you how you can design a beautiful and professional website from scratch using only free resources and without writing a single line of code. Designing a professional website can be very cost demanding, and if you are just getting started, you may be operating on a very slim budget. Or maybe you just even want to play around and get yourself familiar with this skill set before advancing into investing a lot of money in designing a standard website for your business. And in order to design a website, the major things to get is a domain name and web hosting. A domain name is just simply your website address. And examples of domain name are facebook.com, mesologic.com, twitter.com, tesla.com, apple.com, and so on. While web hosting, on the other hand, is the place where your website will be stored so that web browsers can locate it when someone searches it on the internet. I have opened the websites of some of the best web hosting companies just to give you an idea of the rates and also the clue of the budget to bear in mind in case you are considering scaling up your business by investing in designing a website. So here on this tab we have Bluehost, and if I scroll down you will see the different packages that this platform offers. So the price for Bluehost is ranging from $2.95 per month to $13.95 per month, and by the time you times this by 12 months, which is equivalent to 1 year, you can see that the money to start up a web design would be very huge. Another company here we have Namecheap, and if I scroll down to the packages on Namecheap, you will see that their price is ranging from $2.18 to $28.88. Then another company here is NameHero, and if I scroll down to the packages of NameHero, we have a price range from $2.15 to $11.8. And the last hosting company I have here is SiteGround. And if you compare the packages on SiteGround, they have the startup package, which is ranging from $3.99 per month to the Go Geek package, which is $10.69 per month. So you can really see that investing into designing a website can be very cost demanding, but not to worry, because in this video I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can design a website from scratch using only free resources. Just to keep your hopes high, I want to show you the site we will be designing in this tutorial, and I normally do this in all my tutorials because I want to show you the end process from the beginning in order not to waste your time if this is a topic you're already conversant with. So this is the website we are going to be designing in this video, and as you can see I have my logo here, and up here is the navigation menu with the navigation button. So if I scroll down you can see the website. The website looks really beautiful and simple. I can scroll down to the very end, you can see different pictures on the site and the content of the website, and lastly this is the footer of the website. So if you are in love with this website, just make sure you stick with me to the very end of this video. Alright, so if this is your first time of being on my channel, or if you are in love with what you are seeing, you can just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification icon so you can always get notified when I drop future videos. And without wasting much time, let's proceed straight to designing our website. So to get started, all you need to do is just to visit this website, pention.io, and I'm going to drop a link to this website in the description of this video. So when you are on this website, you need to just create an account on this website, because this is the website we are going to be using to get a free domain and hosting. So I'll just create an account on this website. If you already have an account, just log in, but I'm going to go ahead and create a free account on the website. So I'll click on Get Started. Okay, so as you can see, it brings me to the registration page. So I'll just fill in my account information here. So for the country, just choose Nigeria. I'll just scroll down and choose Nigeria or any country you're registering from. Then next, you can check this if you want. Make sure you agree to the terms of use. So once you're done filling in your account information, you have to proceed and click on sign up. And alternatively, you can just sign up with your Google account, which means once you click here, it's going to just link the registration page with your Google account, which is going to be very easy and save you some time. But I'll just go ahead and click on sign up. Okay, looks like there is an error here. So it says your form submission could not be processed, possibly because the form expired or due to the ad blocker. Let me just sign up again. So you can see I have successfully registered, and here I can just proceed and log in with my email. I'm going to log in with the email I used in registering. So don't forget, make sure you log in with your email. So I'll click on login with email. Alright, so I'll just fill in the email. And I'll put my password. And once I'm done, I'll click on login. So you can see that my login is successful and I have been brought to my dashboard. So if you are on this dashboard, you need to come over here and click on site. So it will load and take me to where I can create my site within my workspace. So go ahead and click on create new site. So the platform we are going to be using here is going to be WordPress. So I'll go ahead and choose WordPress here. And it brings me in where I need to configure my site information. So the name of my Pention site would be Wildlife Hacks. So I'll just write the name of my Pention site. So I've written the name. I'll choose my region. I'll leave it as United States, and I'll just come down here and click on continue. You can see it's loading. Okay, it's loading my dashboard, and you can see it's trying to deploy WordPress and install WordPress for me. So just give this some time, and when it's done, we'll continue. Now this process normally takes some time, so we have to be patient. I'll just go ahead and pause the video for now, and when it's done deploying WordPress, then we can continue. Alright guys, as you can see, this is done deploying WordPress, and we can just visit our Pention site dashboard. So click on visit your Pention site dashboard. This is going to load and it will bring you to this section. All you need to do is to click on visit development site. Okay, so it brings me into the place where I need to install my WordPress. So depending on which language you are using or which language you are conversant with, I'll choose English United States. I'll click on continue. Okay, so once you just get to this section, all you need to do is just to fill in the information. So my site title would be Wildlife Hacks. And you don't need to worry, because you can always change these settings later. And your username is what you are going to be using to log into your WordPress website. So make sure you choose a username that you can remember. So I'll just go ahead and put my username to be Wildlife Hacks. And then for the password, I will put in my password. So you can hide your password here. So you see, I've put in a strong password, and my email address, I'll just put it now. You can discourage the search engines from indexing this site, but just leave every other thing here and click on Install WordPress. Now before you install WordPress, make sure you don't forget the username and the password, because this is what you are going to be using to log into your WordPress dashboard in order to design your site. All these other things can be changed later. So I'll just click on Install WordPress. And you can see that WordPress has been successfully installed. And to log into my WordPress dashboard, I just need to click on Login. So I need to go ahead and put in my username and password. Then click on Login. So you can see I have successfully logged into my WordPress dashboard, and from here I can proceed to design my website. So the first thing I'm going to do, you can see there are so many notifications from different plugins on this website, and this really looks so choked for me. It looks so congested, so I'll just hide all these things. And to do that, you need to click on Screen Options. Once I click on Screen Options, I will deselect all these things, and as I do so, you see that everything would just go. Yes, so my WordPress dashboard is looking cleaner and better. So after doing this, let's preview our website and see how it looks. So I'll just come over here, visit this site in a new tab. So this is how our website is going to be looking, because this is the default theme that comes with WordPress. So in the next step of this tutorial, we'll be looking at how we can change this theme and design our website to look like this website here. You can see how this website is looking. This is exactly what we are going to do. In fact, let me just bring it to this other tab. So we are going to change this website from looking like this to looking like this. So let's go ahead and do it. So I'll just come here to my WordPress dashboard, and the first thing I need to do, I need to install a theme. So click on Appearance. You can see the default themes that came with this WordPress installation. I'll click on Add New Theme and go ahead and search for Astra. If I scroll down, you can see the Astra theme. There are different themes you can use, but for the sake of this tutorial, we'll go ahead and install the Astra theme. So click on Install, and when it's done installing, click on Activate. So our Astra theme has been installed and is now active. So if we preview our website, I'll just come here and refresh. You are going to notice that the structure of this website is going to change because another theme has been installed. The default theme that was there before was the 2022 theme, and that's why you can see the preview here, see the way it's showing here. But once I refresh this page, because I have installed the Astra theme, which is the active one, you can see that the structure of this website is going to change to show us the Astra theme. So I'll just go ahead and refresh. And once I refresh, you can see that the theme has changed. But this is so far from what our website looks like. You can see this looks different. It has a picture, it has text, and just looks beautiful. Why this looks very far from what we are trying to achieve. But not to worry, let's go ahead and make this website to look like this. So come back to your WordPress dashboard and then you can see these plugins. Click on plugins. Now plugins are just softwares that enhance the functionality of your website. So in order to make our website to look like this, we need to install a plugin called Starter Template. That plugin is going to come with dozens of designs, which will make us to install them with just a single click. And just to let you know that Starter Template is being developed by Astra, which is going to be very, very flexible and is going to be compatible with this theme. So I'll go ahead and click on Add New to add a new plugin and search for Starter Template. Once I type Starter, you can see the Starter Template plugin, and this plugin has over 1 million active installations and 3,315 positive reviews. And you can see this plugin was last updated 6 days ago and is compatible with our version of WordPress. So I'll just click on Install Now, and the plugin has been installed. I'll click on Activate. So now that our plugin has been installed, you can see we have C Library here. You can preview the templates on this plugin here, or you can come to Appearance and you see Starter Templates. So whichever you choose is the same thing. So I'll just go ahead and click on C Library. And once I click on C Library, it brings me to this place. Now there is an explainer video of someone trying to explain how to use this plugin and do the settings, but we'll just go ahead and proceed. So click on Build Your Website Now. Then you can see there are different page builders. We have Block Editor, Elementor, and Beaver Builder. So I'll click on Elementor. Once I click on Elementor, it brings me to this page that shows me different templates to choose from. Now all these templates have been categorized into different sections. You see we have business, we have agency, we have restaurant, hotel, travel, and so on. If I come to the local business section, we have electrician, plumber, AC technician. For the personal care, we have salon, beauty. So any template you have in mind, you can just go ahead, go to the category and choose it. But for this tutorial, we'll be choosing agency. So I'll come to business and click on agency. And once I click on agency, it's going to just filter this search on only the templates that relate with agency. So I will just scroll down. I'll scroll down to check the templates we used here, and you can see we have a preview of the templates that we used. Let me just come and show you. This is our website. You can see this elephant here, and once I come here, you can see a preview of the templates we used. So once you see it, go ahead and click on the template and it brings you to this section. It's just trying to preview the website and shows you how it's going to look. And if I scroll down, you can see how the website looks. If you decide to change your mind, you can just click on back and it will take you back to the template section. It has other settings here as well. You can just do basic customizations like increasing or decreasing the logo width and so on. But I'm very okay with everything I see here, so I'll click on skip and continue. It brings me into the next section, and I just have an option to do basic customizations here. I can change the color scheme on my website. So you see here we have red from the default colors. If I decide to change it to blue, you see that my website buttons have changed to blue and the color scheme has adjusted to blue. If I choose this orange, everything changes to orange. And if you want to restore it to default, you can just come here and restore it and it comes back to red. Same thing with the fonts here. You can choose different fonts. Here we have Playfair, Display, and Source Sans Pro. That's the primary and the secondary font used on this website. We also have Poppins and Lato. We have Montserrat and Lato. We have Rubik and Color and so on. So you can just go ahead and play with stuff here, guys. Just go ahead and explore. Just do stuff. But try to be very careful so you just don't ruin anything here. So for me, I'll click on continue, and it brings me to this page. It says tell us a bit about yourself. Just skip all these actions and click on submit and build my website. So you can see this process is going to take a time to install the required themes, plugins, forms, and so on. So I'll just wait for this to install, and then I'll get back to you shortly. Alright, you can see this is done installing, and we are being told congratulations, your website has been installed and is ready to use. So let's view our website to see how it looks like. So I'll just go ahead and click on view your website, and as you can see, our website is loading, and then boom guys, our website has been installed successfully with just a single click. Guys, this is so powerful. This is very wonderful guys. You can see I just installed this website in less than 10 minutes, and I didn't stress myself at all, because if you are going to be designing this website for someone, you are going to charge the person very high. And you can see we went ahead and installed WordPress and designed this website using a free domain and free hosting, and see how the website looks. Really beautiful. You can see this section, forest, wilderness, and you can see this section and everything here. You can see the footer, really beautiful and crisp. So let me check the about us page. You can see the about us page. Everything is looking very beautiful guys. So all you need to do is to go ahead and change this text and this content to match the description of what you want to do. If you are designing this website for your own business, you can go ahead and change all these pictures and change the text here to match what you want to do. I'll click on services, and you can see the services section. You can see it. This is good. I'll click on the project. You see different projects, just to go ahead and change your pictures and make sure the content of this website just tallies with what you want to do. I can click on contact, and the contact page opens. You can see someone can fill the person's name, email, subject, and message and send it, and you get it in your mail. Alright, so the next step guys would be to see how we can edit the content on this website. So to edit the content on this website, let's go back to our home page, and once it opens, let's click on edit with Elementor at the top. So remember, Elementor is the editor that we chose when we were configuring the starter templates plugin, and this page builder basically helps us to edit the content on our web page. So here we have Sierra Natural Park. I can just click on this section, and you can see that it activates an editor by the left panel. I can change this Sierra to Wild Natural Park, you see, and this learn more button, I can change it to learn now or anything. You know, I'm lacking ideas right now. You can just change it to anything. I'm just trying to show you how you can play around and get used to this editor. See, this is a background image. I can change this image to something else. I can just click here on this 6 dot icon and select it, and then click on style, and you can see the background image. So I can choose another image if I want. And then mind you, that theme we installed, the template we installed, brought all these images for us. So we have all these images. So let's say let me just choose this image and insert media, and you can see that the image has changed. So you see, you can really take your time and just play with this editor and get your hands around it, so you can become more conversant with the settings of this editor. So let's just change this picture back to the picture with the elephant. So just come here, choose image, choose the picture with the elephant and insert media, and you can see that the picture is back here. Then there is something else I want to show you that is very exciting. I can add animation effect to different sections of my website. So let's say this section, I want to add an entry animation. I'll just click here and I'll come to advanced. So click on advanced, scroll down and you see motion effect. Click on motion effects, then you see entrance animation. So I can just go ahead and click here and it's on default. I can change it to, let's say, fade in right, and you can see it now brings that transition, it brings the animation and it looks really great. I can go ahead and change it to zoom in right and see the way it zooms in. So you can go ahead and apply this animation on different sections of your website. You can add a delay to the animation so they don't do at the same time. One needs to come first, the other one follows, and just like that. And trust me guys, if you use this thing properly, it makes your website to look really beautiful. You can just play with the editor and try to see how you can do stuff on it. And then before I forget, make sure that after making changes here, you come here and you update it. If you don't update your settings, your website is not going to change. Nothing is going to change. Make sure you come to the down part on the left side and click on this green button that says update. So I'll just click on update. And if I come back here and refresh the website, watch what is going to happen. The website will load, and if I scroll down, you see that animation we added. Let's just scroll down. You see it faded in, but that was very fast because the fading effect normally does very fast. So that is it guys. Now you see this home, about us, we call this section the navigation menu. If you want to change it, you need to do that in the customize section of your website. So let's go ahead and explore the settings in the customize section of our website. So just come to this place and click on customize. You see it has opened and we are in the customize section. So in order to change the logo, you can just carry your mouse here. You see a blue icon, click on the blue icon and it brings you to the section of your logo. You see here we have the logo. I can remove this logo or I can completely change the image to another logo. Then to change the navigation menu, you can just come here and click on edit this element and it will change. You'll be able to add a new menu to this navigation panel. This button, to change it, you can just go ahead and click on the blue icon and it will change. Let me just click on the blue icon for this button and you can see we have take action and there is a link to whatever you want them to take the action. Let's say I want to add a website here. Let me just add my company website here and then I'll change this take action to register now. So I'll change it to register now, and that is it guys. So I can scroll down to edit the footer section. I'll just come down to the footer. You see we have copyright 2022 wildlife hacks. This is good. I can change this thing from services to our services. Alright, so once I'm done editing everything on this website, I just need to click on publish and then exit the customize section here and it brings me back to the website. Alright guys, I'm so excited and I believe if you follow this tutorial, you've gotten so much value for the time you invested in watching this tutorial. If you love what you have seen in this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification icon so you can always get notified when I drop future videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.